We are gonna do a whole full face makeup very quick, very easily with this color stick. So easy. Cheeks, eyes, lips. Mwah! It does this beautiful, beautiful color. It's so easy and so ready for you to use right now. This look is going to be very quick. With this color stick, it can do anything. It's magic. It's so fast and so easy. But before we get to the color stick, I'm just going to do a quick little face prep, which is so important. We're going to start with the Lifting Firming Face Primer, and we're going to use another primer on top of that. I mean, I'm all about primers, but this is clear, and this just allows your makeup to go on so smoothly and easily and really preps that skin, and it feels really good. Quite amazing. And I do dance it over the eyelids a little bit onto the forehead, but this just gets that skin nice and prepped, ready to go. Now I'm going to go into this, our little instant action wrinkle release, because I love it so very, very much. And I always use my little ring finger, tap, 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 just like this. We're clapping, yay! And now we're going to just tap, tap, tap it all here and let that do its little magic too. And I like to hit this little guy right there. Don't use too much of this or your face will turn white, but just enough and it's perfect. Okay, so we let that dry for a second. Ooh. And we go on to the Tinted Face Primer. I love Tinted Face Primer. Actually, before we do that, we're going to do the concealer. I do have a few little people that I want on my face that I want to go away. So I'm just going to dap, dap, dap. Dap, 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 dap. Nice little dap, dap, dap. This inner corner for your eyes. This is like the thinnest part of your face. And as we age, just a little dapping, as we age, it gets thinner. And when it gets thinner, it looks like we have a bruise right there. We don't. What we have is thin skin. And so by adding a little concealer right there, that really does a good job of getting it gone. Now, I know that it's very popular. People are doing the whole triangle thing for the under concealer. Please don't do that because it just adds more makeup to places you don't need it. And then it brings a lot of attention to wrinkles and to crevices that we don't want to talk about or ever deal with. But we definitely don't want to emphasize them with our concealer. Okay, that's great. Now I'm going to just I'm using my hand as a palette. This is our Tinted Primer. Love this stuff. It does such a good job. And it's nice and thin and easy to apply. And it really, once it warms up to your skin, just blends in gorgeously. And it's just covering up any of those concealer spots that I put on. Nicely conceals it. Goes right over, dances over the top. Really blending that in. And see how I'm dapping? You can do this with a sponge too. I love, love our foundation brush. It's one of my favorites. You could actually put this on with your fingers, but again, you get a lot of power in being able to add layers, and dapping is the way to do it. And I just go right up here, dap, dap, dap. And you can see all the face is now instantly becoming a beautiful canvas that you can work on. Really, I do like to add it to my eyelids a little bit too. And this will actually set the stage for the color stick. Now we're going to move on to the eyebrows really quick. And again, the reason we're doing this so fast is because it is so fast. We're using actually very minimal products. And I'm going to do the eyebrows. Again, tapping a little bit and finding that angle. And I just brush, really trying to keep in that natural look that I already have. It's already there. I'm just filling in, making it a little thicker, a little bit more full. I'm using the brush on brow in brown. Actually, this one is dark brown. Yeah, and dark brown. And it's just an angle, 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 up, 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 over, over, over. Adding that shape really good. You just want to make sure they're even on both sides. And then I just like to brush it all in and make it all perfect. Voila, magnifique. That's done. Now we're moving on to the star of the show, which is it's called Spencer, and it's fantastic. I absolutely love it. I'm going to add this to my cheeks first, and I'm going to find my cheekbone, which you feel like, oh, squishy, squishy, bone, bone. So I'm just going to go right underneath that bone. And I like to it's very strange. The application, you're thinking, oh, she looks crazy. True that, but not for long. Then I take my blush brush, this side, and blends it right in. And look at that. This is why these sticks are so amazing. It's because look at that. You saw what I did. I just like crazily put that on. And now it's just like part of my beautiful cheek. And you can always do this type of application and like hit that apple. Gorgeous. So pretty. And the nice thing is this stuff has some staying power, some serious staying power, which I love. Now for my eyes, I'm just going to use my finger. Awesome, right? And it's a tap, tap, tap. And again, don't be afraid to blend. The idea is that this isn't like a full makeup. This is a quick, easy, I have something on. I feel good and confident. I wear the makeup. The makeup doesn't wear me. All of that good stuff. Good. Now I'm putting this really close to the crease, and then I'm kind of blending out with my finger. And it just blending in just a little bit. I don't want to have like a crazy line all across my face, but just enough to add a little color. And I think I've succeeded. I think that's right. Doesn't that look good? I think it looks good. I love it. I think it's fantastic. Now for the lips, I'm also going to just kind of dap it on my lips. Almost like I would a lipstick. Great, that's fine. But I think we can have a little bit more by just adding a lip brush to it. Oh, it feels really good. And it's super easy to blend stuff. Isn't that a great color? It looks like my lip color. It doesn't look like I'm trying too much. It just adds enough pop, a little bit of energy to my lips, to my cheeks, to my eyes, and it's not over the top with anything. And that's it, except for my mascara, which I'm gonna do. Oh, no, I lied. I forgot about the liner. Forgetting lots of things today. I'm gonna add, this is the lip liner. I'm gonna add this liner, which is Baroque. It's this really pretty green. Kind of bring that right into here. And I don't need a ton. It's not a heavy makeup. It's just a little bit. If anything, this color is going to really make my eyes amazing. Whenever I wear this, my husband's like, wow, your eyes are so pretty today. Why? I'm like, oh, it's my liner. Isn't it the best? He even knows the name of it. Funny. Now I'm going to add some mascara, and then that hopefully will finish the look. Let's see. So this is it. This is what we came up with. So easy, so ready to go. It really hardly takes any time. So don't skip not doing your makeup because you don't have time. I showed you a few extra steps that you could probably just take out. This is magic. I'm telling you, you can go very, very far with very, very little in a very, very quick amount of time. It's amazing. And I think you will absolutely love it. I know I do. And I really do think my look is complete. I feel ready to go. I feel like I'm wearing my makeup. My makeup's not wearing me. I'm very confident and able to show that with this look. I love it. I hope you do too.